I'm Andy from Howard's in Yeovil, and I'm going to show you around this Mazda CX-5. So this is a two-owner vehicle that comes with 19-inch alloy wheels. You get keyless entry, tinted rear windows, there's front and rear parking sensors with a reversing camera. Now inside the car you've got leather interior with heated front seats. The touchscreen features sat-nav as well as radio, CD player and Bluetooth. And on top of this you get dual zone air conditioning, there's automatic headlights, wipers, cruise control. The car is only £30 a year to tax. So let's have a look around. It's got the 2.2 litre diesel engine. It gives you 148 horsepower. It's got a 6-speed manual gearbox and it's done under 73,500 miles. If it's of interest to you, then please contact us at Howard's Used Car Centre in Yeovil. Thank you.